Okay.
Good evening, everyone. This is Cricket Lot for Wednesday, July 2nd, 2025. And tonight we are talking about Young Living's July Gifts with Purchase. And they're pretty nice ones. So let me share my screen and I will show you what we have and explain what they do. So these are the three items: lemon, peppermint, and super magnesium. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Yeah. Lemon, peppermint, and super magnesium. I think it was Tammy St. Pierre was asking about magnesium. So I'll have to make sure she knows. Okay, so lemon. Of course, lemon is great for everything. Freshens the air. Put it in your water to it helps your circulation system, supports your circulation system. It takes off gummy stuff and magic marker. It'll actually take off nail polish, but it takes a lot of essential oil to take off all your nail polish, so it's not real practical for that, but it will actually take off nail polish. Um, so it's a great all-around oil, and you get a 15 milliliter bottle with a 100 PV loyalty order. So that's an order that you order every month. So that's lemon. And then peppermint, great for summertime with a 200 PV order, regular order, or essential rewards order, loyalty rewards order. Peppermint is cooling, so it's great for this time of year. Rub it on your belly or on your shoulders to help keep you cool, or your feet. Like if you have to wear shoes and be outside, if you put peppermint on your feet, it will help your feet stay cooler in the shoes. So it's a great oil for that. It's good for tired muscles. It's good for digestion. You can either rub it on or you can take it internally. Peppermint's another awesome all-around oil. So lavender is the mother of all oils and peppermint's the daddy. And between the two of them, you could do anything you needed to. I reached into the dishwasher to get a spoon that had fallen down in, and the heating element hadn't cooled off yet. And so I got a nice burn across my finger. And so I put pepper or lavender on it like every 5 minutes. I put a drop on my finger and rub it on there. And by the time I went to bed, this was like after dinner, by the time I went to bed, it did not hurt a bit. Not a bit. And the next morning, it didn't hurt a bit. Now it's aching like crazy 4 days later because I rubbed the scab off. And now it really stings. So I had to put a Band-Aid on it. And I put lavender on the Band-Aid. I got to put some more lavender on it. But I don't know why we're talking about lavender, but I just wanted to share what I did with burns. And peppermint. If you have one of those cloths, that you get wet and then you put around your neck to keep you cool while you're working, if you put peppermint in the water when you get it wet, that will keep you even better cool. So, yeah.
I just bought one yesterday.
Yeah. And then super magnesium. Magnesium is great for sleep, healthy energy levels. There are over 300 essential functions that magnesium is good for. So super magnesium is a good supplement to take. I'm so sorry. I've been running around all day. It is especially great for sleeping. So my husband swore by it for sleeping. So get your super magnesium. So that's with a 300 PV order, either loyalty order or a regular one-time order. And then on a loyalty order, you can get 15% off frankincense. So frankincense is great for grounding and skin, excuse me, anything skin related. Put it on your head for meditation time. It's good for everything from head to toe, according to the Egyptians, ancient Egyptians. So frankincense, same scent that Jesus smelled. Okay, so that's the gifts with purchase: lemon, peppermint, super magnesium, and 15% off frankincense, only on loyalty orders.
So
And there you go.
If magnesium is good for sleep, should you take it at night then or in the morning?
Don't remember. I think he took it in the morning. But let me
That's
see.
what I thought too.
I don't know if they had it when she printed this book. Super C, Super Cal, Super D. Nope, not in here. I'll have to explore that and see when is a good time to take it. I thought you took it in the morning and then it works like at night. So
Okay.
yeah.
I'm back.
But I could be mistaken. Do you know if you're supposed to take magnesium at night or in the morning?
Funny you would ask that. I just listened to a doctor today and he said to take it in the morning and again an hour before bed.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, okay.
That's what Doc said.
Take it in the morning and then also an hour before bed.
He said an hour before bed and you get good sleep.
Oh.
And this magnesium is derived from the clean waters off the northern coast of Ireland, which contains over 70 other trace minerals.
Wow.
70.
So it's an awesome supplement. So that is it. Any questions?
Fast and furious.
I told you. Told you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
All
right, ladies.
About the frankincense.
Yeah. Did you change your date from the 1st?
My date is the 2nd, so mine went
out
morning.
This last night, yeah. I used to have it like that early and I changed it to the 4th so I could have time to look at what the gifts were and all that stuff. So yeah. And so I didn't forget when the month changed over. So
yeah.
All right, ladies. I'm gonna unrecord here.